Want to know what my favorite app to use at the moment is? Stay tuned. Welcome to Miles and Money, where we talk about everything gig economy and how to make money online. If you are the ultimate hustler, if you're about making your money, subscribe to this channel, hit the like button below, because you're going to get value from this. Today, we're going to talk about how to optimize your earnings. Number one, location. You have to find an area where it's super busy in your market. A lot of times when we do these apps, we like to start close to where we live, and sometimes we don't have that leisure to be able to do that because the areas might not be as busy as the downtown areas. So step number one is to make sure you go to the busy locations, the busier areas. So like with DoorDash, it'll be red on the map, and on ubereats, it'll be, I think, bluish on the map where you see where the areas are busy. Spark, it'll be red. Order just came in. No, that's not good. The rest of the other apps, you can just work when you want to. You can just cut on and work when you want to go. Number two, turn all the apps on. It's not easy to make money in the gig economy space like it used to be. You could just turn on your app, go out and make bread, but it ain't like that anymore. You got to turn on multiple apps. So step number two, if you have multiple apps, turn them all on. If you don't, I'll give you a list of apps to download to help your earnings skyrocket this year. Step number three is to cherry pick, but to cherry pick off of the multiple apps. Now, cherry picking isn't what it used to be. You used to be able to sit on one app and just wait for the bigger orders to come in, decline all the bad ones, wait for the bigger orders to come in, and you take those. Now, since people aren't tipping as well, and the money isn't as much, you can't sit and wait for the big ones. The big ones don't come like that, especially when you're dealing with the apps that deal with tier programs, and you might be out of the tier program to get the catering big orders. So you have to take more of the decent orders, the $1 per mile orders. Try to stack your orders off different apps, but going in the same direction. Because I hear a lot of people try to multi-app, and they'll take a job going east and another job going. You can't do that. You got to take the orders going all in the same direction. That's how you become efficient, and you make things a lot easier delivering these jobs. Step four, try to work around peak hours. That's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. A lot of times there's a lot of dead hours when it's slow. So another tip is trying to work anywhere from 7 to 9 in the morning if you like to work mornings, anywhere from 10:45, 11 to 2, and 5 to 9 if you like to work evenings. If you work it like that, you work your lunch, you work your breakfast, you work your evenings. When it's busy in busier areas, will help you make more money. And my final step for maximizing your earnings in 2025 in this gig economy space is the mile ratio. Make sure that the job makes sense. Like, I'm tired of seeing drivers take these low ball offers. If the order isn't at least $1 per mile, at least $1 per mile, meaning it's like paying you to go pick it up and paying you to come back. So let's say you get a job that's $12, 6 miles. That job is $1 per mile. It's paying you $1 to go pick up the order and $1 to come back to your location.
Actually, I misspoke. It pays you $1 from pickup to drop off and another $1 from drop off to your current location.
So keep that rule of thought in mind, $1 per mile, and that'll help your earnings in 2025. Now for what y'all all been waiting for, my bread and butter that I use to make my money in 2025 is Spark. Spark is the app so far this year that's been bringing me the most money. They've been busier. It's like they fixed the app, because before it wasn't as efficient, but now it is. Spark, if you don't have it in your market, sorry, but if you do, try to download the app and see what it does for you, because it's doing well for me here. Let me know, what's your favorite app in your city in the comment section. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button below. I'm out.